I never, ever imagined that that's where the story would end, even though it was the beginning. The games that we played together when we were a child was the focus of when I was visiting him in the nursing home, because there was no activities there. So I laid the dominoes on the table and we sat together and played dominoes. We played cards while he could sit. Even when it got to the stage where he couldn't talk, I still was talking to him about our childhood. He was there for every special moment that I had.